This is Matt Kern, and today we have legendary TTPA champion Shooter Thompson. What an honor.
Thanks, Matt. Announcing today's game allows me to give back to the sport, which has given me so much. Broadcasting live from Parrots Cove, it's a beautiful day for a game of bags. J-O-E. That is one for her. I've got to see that again. There's a single. Decent throw. 7 of diamonds. Here are the totals. Moving on to our second inning. The box is in her sights. Ka-ching! 10 of clubs. A crowd-pleasing 5. King of hearts. Keep at it. You're getting there. Keep it going. How about another game?
Hi, I'm Matt Kern, and I'm excited to have one of the world's greatest athletes here with me today. Ladies and gentlemen, Shooter Thompson.
Welcome to Target Toss Pro. Let's get started. We are coming to you live from Camp Blackfoot, deep in the Wyoming foothills. J-O-E. One inside. Wham! 3 points. Let's take a look at the stats. Start of the second inning. A solid 3. 3 points. Let's check the numbers. Okay, we're warmed up. It's the third inning.
Hello and welcome to Silver Strike Bowling. I'm Matt Kern, and announcing today's game is Randy Peterson, holder of 13 career titles. Randy?
Hey, let's get started. Heavier balls are tougher to control. Oh, too bad. Leaves the goalposts. Chop, chop. Fantastic. Welcome to the 710 Club. Wipes the slate clean. Stay right there. Super. Let's see that spare again. Killer. What a great shot. First ball. There's her first strike of the game. Wow, here's that great strike again. Now that is a beautiful ball. Oh, whiffs the fast 8. We're at the top.
What a great day for mini golf. We're at Skull Island and the weather is beautiful. Pow! Hole in 1! Congratulations, you've made the leaderboard. Here's how the pros do it. On to hole 2. For birdie. Nice shot. Starting hole 3. With a birdie putt. Sweet. On to hole 4. has this for birdie. There's a good one. Next up, hole 5. This putt is for birdie. There's a good one. Taking on hole 6. Looking at hole 8.